Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a great person with us is Harish Pradhan from Nagpur. He is a respectful speaker, is a regular speaker. Today, we are having a good topic with us. The topic is I don't have any talent. How can I recognize my talent and my strength? Sir, please react, sir. Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. When we do talk about talent, we have to understand what exactly talent is. Talent is nothing, it is kind of the skill which you have. Means around you, there are very less people, they do have such kind of skill, and in which you feel comfortable when it comes to make career or get success or achieve something. Now, there are people, they think I don't have any kind of a talent, then what I can do, what I will do in my life. So, how you can recognize your talent? Try to understand wherever you are. Let's say you are in school, you are in college, where a lot of activities are conducted by your college or school. So what you have to do in order to recognize talent, you have to take a part in each and every activity, sport, cultural, each and every activity. Don't leave anything else, so that definitely something would be in you, and nobody would be exist on this planet who has nothing. So definitely you would come across with a your talent. Let's say the other thing which I think may help you. There are people, they would say, I am working, I'm in a job, so how I can recognize my talent? Definitely, if you are in a job, I can guess that you are a matured one, and definitely you do like something. So make it a hobby, work upon it. This is what you can do. Next question would come always, like I like lot of things, such as I like cricket, I like painting, I like music, I like to speak a lot, means I'm good at communication skills. What is my talent and how I can convert my talent into my career? How
Sir,
I would make a future in it? Yeah. So these questions answer is really easy. Try to understand excess sources and how you can make your career. Let's say you are good at cricket also. Try to understand, are you given a proper access of cricket or not? Such as do you have ground? Do you go to coach? Do you go to club or not? If you don't go, you can't make it in a career. Then music. Do you have music class? If you have, or how much you are good at it? Do you do everyday practice? That's what we call in a language of music riyaz. If you can, definitely you can make it a career. If you are not good at, you are good at speaking, but do you have anything related to that you can convince people and you can earn money? Not at all. Then definitely you are good at singing, you have learned lots of award in the field of music, then you can definitely make career in music. This is really simple, you need not to use your mind. Let me conclude this. Conclusion is really simple. As much as you would try to be in a process, definitely you would come to know what is your talent. That's what I would say, sir.
thank you, sir, but thank you very much. So, according to my view, everybody has a latent talent. So, I have to try to bring out the talents, because there is no any without person without talent, because everybody has a unique person in the society, in the world. So, we came here with the talents, but we have to find out the talents and try to sharpen the saw. Without sharpening saw, how can it will work? No, like that. So we have to sharpen saw. That means we have to practice, we have to sharpen our abilities, our skills. Now, automatically, we will reach our targeted goal also. And we have to think that everybody has innate powers. So we have to try to use the innate powers on a regular basis. Automatically, your talent will come, and try to understand what your talents are. And without practice, nothing will happen. So practice should be there. And if you practice your interested things, not automatically, and you can shine, you can prosperous, you can progress, and you can productive. So that season, one can be try to achieve that by using in a proper way, productive way. So thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thanks a
your
lot, sir.
great words and good words. Thank you, sir. See you later. Bye. Good luck.
Yes, sir. Bye.